Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y over x, that is about the root number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First the derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. First the derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So y we change by vs. This one we change by this one. Next, we put the square root for the both sides. And we have this one equals to the square root of this one. And the second one, we put the negative sign here. So s divided by s, now we just have only v. Similar for this one. Now we need to go to the first one. So I will put v go to the right, and we have negative v. This one I will put on the left, ds, and s I will put on the right. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. Now, we need to concentrate on this one. So in this situation, I will multiply by v plus the square root of v squared plus 1 on numerator and denominator. Now, if we simplify this one, we will have negative v squared plus v squared plus 1. And now we simplify this one. And we have like this. Next, the integration of v, we have v squared over 2. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about v equals to shin t square, because if I put this one cone here, we have shin t square plus 1, and then we change by cos t square, and later that we simplify the square root. dv that is about cos t dt after we do first the derivative of this one. This one we have cos t square, and we simplify the square root, and we have cos t. Now this one we have cos t square, Now we have the formula in here. Now I will put this one goal here. And number 2 I will put outside. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 shin to t. Number 1, that is about t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equals to arcsine of v. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And now the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of s about v. That is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. About the second one, we do the same technique of this one. And here is about the second one. So we put v go to the right, we have negative v. Later that we put the negative side go in here. So we just concentrate on this one, and then we do the same technique. And later that we do the same formula in here. And here is the second one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.